In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zelle phone number or email. If you've switched phone numbers or moved to a new email, updating it in Zelle ensures your payments go to the right place without interruption. You'll be doing everything from within your bank's app or website, since Zelle is connected directly to your bank account. Have your new phone or email handy so you can complete verification quickly. First, sign into your bank's mobile app or online banking site that's linked to Zelle. Use the same bank account where you normally send or receive Zelle payments. If you have multiple bank accounts, make sure you're in the one that actually has Zelle set up, so your changes apply to the right profile. Next, navigate to the Zelle section in your bank app. Depending on your bank, this might be labeled Zelle, Send Money with Zelle, Transfers or Payments. If you don't see it immediately, try the app's search feature or look under Move Money or Pay and Transfer. The exact wording can vary, but it will take you to your Zelle settings. Once you're in Zelle, open your profile or manage settings. Some banks display a gear icon for settings. Here, choose the option to add a contact method, select add phone number or add email, then carefully enter your new information. Make sure it's an address or number you personally control and can access right away. If your bank allows multiple contact methods, adding the new one first helps keep your Zelle active while you switch over. Now follow the verification prompts to confirm the new phone number or email. You'll typically receive a one-time code by text message or email. Keep your banking app open while you retrieve it, enter the code exactly as shown, and complete the confirmation. If the code doesn't arrive within a minute or two, use the resend option and check your spam or junk folder for emails. Never share verification codes with anyone. After your new contact method is verified, go back to your Zelle profile and remove the old phone number or email. This helps prevent payments from being sent to an outdated contact. Double check that friends, family, or clients have your updated details so future payments reach you without delay. That's it. Your Zelle contact information is now updated and you can continue sending and receiving payments as usual. If anything looks different in your app or you run into trouble, reach out to your bank's customer support. They can help you locate the Zelle settings and confirm your updates.